Miss this one tool from your sales kit and you will lose order to your competition. Hi friends, I am Rakesh Sharma, your sales coach and business growth partner. I empower business owners to grow their revenue and maximize profits. Today, I am going to reveal you a tool. If you miss from your sales kit, you will lose order to your competition. And chances are that you are already missing it. So stay tuned. The biggest challenge for a seller in sales process is to create trust in buyer's mind for what the seller is claiming about his product. As per one research conducted by LinkedIn, 40% of salespeople think that building trust is the biggest hurdle in sales, above the pricing and ROI. Whereas 51% buyers rate the trust on salesperson as the top factor for concluding the sale. The buyer is always doubting you. Whatever you say, he has a big fear of getting cheated by the seller. Numerous sales are lost due to lack of trust. When you give him a good sales pitch, he admires the same, but he thinks that you are trained for this. When you give a good product demo, he says, "Oh, this is your job." And when you handle an objection well, he thinks you are a smart salesperson. But the trust is still lacking and he does not bring out his checkbook. So, what is the answer? The best tool to develop trust with a prospect is to use some form of social proof. And the best form of social proof is the customer's testimonial. One testimonial is worth the 1000 sales talks. A testimonial is a real proof of who you are and what you do, because it directly comes from the experience of an actual user. The testimonial can be created in different shapes, but the best testimonial is the video testimonial. A video testimonial can say the entire story about your product in few seconds. A testimonial can be made powerful enough to take care of the biggest objections of your prospects. You can also include a testimonial in your sales proposals to answer certain questions proactively of your prospects. You can become proficient in using testimonial by using them in multiple ways. You not only use the testimonial in sales talks, but also use them on your website and also in your ad campaigns. Now let us understand why a testimonial is the best tool for sales conversion. A video testimonial is the best sales conversion tool because, number one, a video evokes emotion. We all know that people make buying decisions on emotions. When buyers see video testimonial, their emotions get touched and they make instant buying decisions. Remember, the human brain is designed to pay attention to faces, colors, and motions. Number two, people prefer videos over written words. This is true for all of us. No one likes reading in comparison to seeing a video. The research has found that number of customers who prefer to watch a video of a product in comparison to reading a brochure is as high as 4 times. Number 3, people share video testimonial with each other. It has been found that videos are shared more frequently in comparison to a written letter or an email. A written email is dry and dumb, whereas colorful video is always a motion picture and produces more emotional impact on your prospects. Number 4, and the most important, is that video testimonial acts as the best social proof because it comes directly from someone who has experienced your product personally, your service personally. Next time you come across to some of your satisfied customers, don't forget to ask him to give you a video testimonial. Friends, if you use video testimonial, you can increase your sale conversion rate easily by 10 times and become a super salesperson. Once again, I am Rakesh Sharma, your sales coach and business growth partner. If you like the content of this podcast, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and share this video with all your friends. Thank you very much.